A wildfire that has been burning near Loch Ness is so big that the smoke it has been creating can be seen from space. The smoke plume in the centre of this picture from NASA shows it drifting 12 miles towards the loch. The fire covers an area roughly 5 miles by 5 miles. The Scottish Fire and Rescue Service is investigating what caused it. There are suggestions wild campers may have been to blame. The Scottish Government says it will try to raise awareness of the risk from such fires after a spell of warm, dry weather.